So everybody move over, no sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game so surely it'll fall. So everybody move over, no sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game so surely it'll fall.
Don't you figure it's a little bit twisted, this mold that gets rotated in most cases don't say we're still listening. And MCs, if you decide to push your views aside and choose to ride whatever's popular with the moment, then do it. I'll just make music that's dissonant. Because it's just the way you're thinking, it'll keep our shit sinking, and it's keeping me living within this frequency prism and disconnected as an infant from the infinite and giving just a glimpse of what it is and what it isn't, what we're mixing. It's push, Caleb, set the truth in the speech. From the heat of 30 groups and it just beats unequal. While the image limit to get off 15 minutes, the sound stands drags down all our hopes to the limit. So why do I have to try to dumb down the sound? In a compromise to try to turn sails around. If I speak my piece, will the interest cease? But at least we can calm and get response to reach. And if we're driven to spin it, we'll make change within it. But if not, we get caught spinning, watch the sun. Till the lights spot the hype and we'll be alright. Singing right for the fight, we can better this life.
Sweat shot coming through, so everybody move over, no sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game so surely it'll fall. So everybody move over, no sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game so surely it'll fall.
I wonder how to leave the underground with dignity intact. Be the rappers that we are today, we say, but even better. So we tour and talk to towns and bump the sound for kids that need the facts and food for rap with something to say, but if this industry is back without radio players, they'll maybe okay. Maybe it's let the flow, maybe failure takes. Maybe you'll drown, maybe turn the radio down. And who's that sweat shot? I'm shaking your ground.
Other hand, everyone feel things. Believe it's fundamental to need funds. Sober and look at what we become. When we're hands to web up to see this fun. To the beat of a drum, we're speak to the young. Never freeze, lost freedom. Predict some right, some wrongs. Or write the song, defeat the cons. And in the street python. No matter what you say, you better watch the stakes. We're just a prey. Anybody who loves the game, and trust the game, but afraid to touch the game. Don't worry, there's no shame. No way, it's okay to get jerked for low pay. Have to serve and obey, it's all work and no play. But who'll bring it, don't change it, don't make some old jiggy overplay. Witty one take with no song. Shot coming through, so everybody move over. No sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game so surely it'll fall. So everybody move over. No sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game so surely it'll fall. Shot coming through, so everybody move over.
Oh, that's exposed.
We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game so surely it'll fall. So everybody move over, no sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game fall. So everybody move over, no sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game so surely